at number 5. So number 5, 6, 7, and 8, now those don't contain multiple triangles. So we're not using congruence of triangles for these. We're going to use some other relationships. And so let's take a look at how these kind of play out. So RT and QT are equal is the given information. And then you want to show that angles 1 and 2 are equal as well. Okay, so anytime you're doing a proof that doesn't involve congruence of triangles, what you should do, what I would encourage you to do, is look to introduce the elements from the end state as soon as you can. So look to introduce angle 1. So the only way that we can introduce angle 1 here is the fact that together these form a straight line. So angle 1 plus angle 4 add up to 180. They're a linear pair. And at the same time, we can introduce angle 2, because angle 2 plus angle 3, also a linear pair. So we can introduce those. And now as we continue to build this, we see that we have two expressions that are equal to the same thing, 180. Therefore, they must be equal to each other. So angle 1 plus angle 4 has to equal angle 2 plus angle 3. That's a transitive property, or substitution. And so what we can now see is the only thing that we need to do now in order to get angles 1 and 2 to be equal is subtract equivalent values, angles 3 and 4. Well, we don't have in our proof that they are equivalent, but what do we notice about them? They're opposite equal sides in the same triangle. And so we can make the statement that angle 3 has to equal angle 4. And it's basically the base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. And the way that I'll write that is in a triangle, angles opposite, equal sides are equal. Yeah, for all of the the order of the steps for all of the proofs, you can kind of jumble the order of steps. Okay. All right, so now we have if angles 3 and 4 are equal, what that means is we can now take this statement right here. If we subtract angle 4 from the left side, we'd need to subtract its equivalent, angle 3, from the right, and that's going to leave us with our end state that we're looking for, angle 1 equals angle 2. And the process was simply subtraction property.